Hello and welcome. Today, I will share a simple story to help you think in English and speak more naturally. This story is easy to understand and perfect for practice. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and build your confidence. Let's start. Alex is a college student who wants to speak English fluently. He knows many English words, but when he talks, he first thinks in his native language. Then, he translates the words into English. This takes time. He speaks slowly and sometimes gets stuck. One day, Alex's teacher gave him some advice. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Alex didn't understand at first. How can he think in English? So the teacher explained. Start with small things. Describe your day in English, even in your head. The next morning, Alex tried. When he woke up, he thought, I am opening my eyes. I am getting out of bed. While brushing his teeth, he thought, I am cleaning my teeth. The water is cold. At first, it felt strange, but slowly it became easier. Alex made it a habit. When he walked to class, he looked around and thought in English. The sun is bright today. The road is busy. I see a red car. When he ate lunch, he thought, the rice is hot. The chicken is spicy. I like this taste. He didn't need to say these sentences out loud. He just trained his brain to use English naturally. After 2 weeks, Alex noticed something amazing. He could speak without stopping to translate. His sentences came out faster. He even started to use new words without thinking too much. One day, his friend asked him, How do you speak so smoothly now? Alex smiled and said, I think in English. You can try this too. Start with short, simple sentences. Think in English when you wake up, when you walk, when you eat. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Remember, don't wait for perfect grammar. Just focus on training your brain to stay in English mode. Now repeat after me. I can think in English. I can speak naturally. I am improving every day. Say this daily, and soon you will speak English confidently, without translating in your head. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next English listening story.